Barbasiewicz, the director of the rubber band incident. When I first signed up for filmmaking, I didn't know what to expect, but once I entered the studio, I was astonished. All the equipment was exactly what you would find on a real Hollywood movie set. When I grow up, I actually want to be an actress, not only because I like being in front of the camera, but also because I love being involved in the movie-making system and being a part of the environment. With the help of several talented 8th graders, we were able to complete the rubber band incident. We hope you enjoy it.
Miss Jenkins, let's go over this for the last time. If you can't behave, this will have to escalate further. Let me tell you a story so you'll understand. 2 years ago, on a Wednesday morning, Mrs. No Name's class was having their annual show and tell, and up next was little Johnny Gunner. From that day forward, show and tell was no more.
Sure. Of course that happened. So what now? You're going to tell me about the time unicorns attacked the school and stole all our cookies?
Not quite. There was another incident. It seemed like it was a normal day in chemistry class, but it was anything but that. The student thought she was going to play a joke on the class, but instead... Good news. No one was injured. The student got an L5 B47 infraction. The student was expelled and chemistry was no more. Do I have to ban rubber bands from the building?
All right, fine. I get what I did. It only takes one bad apple to spoil the whole bunch. No more rubber band shooting for me, I promise.
Good, Samantha. I'm confident that I won't be seeing you in here anymore. Now get back to class. Do I have to ban rubber bands from the building? Oh, I'm looking at the camera instead of her. Okay. Good news, no one was injured, but he got an L5 B45 frac in... Good news, no one was injured, but he got a B5. God.
Roll 1, scene 8A, take 1.
Mark it.
Action! Cut!
Roll 1, scene 8A, take 3.
Mark it.
Action! Cut!
You got Mr. C in the shot! I know you were in the shot!
It's your...
Okay.
Action! Ow! Cut. Action.